Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Out here selling kits, trusses we ship nationwide. Appreciate Mr. Poff and his son coming down from Virginia. They bought them a 24 by 40 building, so they're loaded up, getting ready to head out of here. You can figure about $11 a foot for all the trusses, and we keep 24s, 30s, and 40s in stock all the time. Here's some 20s right here. Everything's painted black. We got them engineered for all your loads that you're going to need. These are nice trusses. You can see the stabilizer bars. You can see how the cups are designed. They're all set for the screws to fit your dimensional lumber. You know, they bolt together in the center. We include all the hardware, and then you've got your overhang on all of our trusses, about 16 inches. We use the heavy duty 2-inch angled steel on all of our trusses. So man, these things are nice. Like I said, you can figure about $4.75 a square foot to put one like a barn kit, like a roof kit, and then about $7.50 a square foot to enclose one, you know, completely with all your insulation, all your metal, all your 6x6 posts, everything that you're looking for. We've got the snoot trusses, as you can see here. If you're doing run-ins like shed trusses like here, you're putting like an eyebrow on it, we've got the snoots. Then we've got the perma-post columns. If you're attaching to your concrete, these are the ones for 8x8s. We got them for 6x6s. Also, we got the wet sets. We've got the lumber. Everything we've got is grade stamped. We don't sell any salvage type products, salvage metals, any of that kind of stuff. We've got the best of what you're looking for a pole barn building or carport or enclosed garage. There's the wet sets, about 18 inches overhang, or not overhang, but you see the rebar about 18 inches that you put in your piers. And then you can see all the lumber, all the metal. We've got garage doors, whatever you're doing, insulation. See you guys. Thank y'all for doing business with us. Give us a call at 828-413-4201, 828-413-4201, or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. God bless you.